In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Brave browser icon. This process is straightforward and can personalize your experience. Let's dive right in. To begin, locate the Brave shortcut on your desktop. This is the icon you typically click to open the browser. Once you find it, right-click on the Brave shortcut. This action will open a context menu displaying various options that can be performed on this shortcut. Selecting the right option is crucial as it will lead you to the settings where you can customize the icon. This small step is essential because it sets the stage for the entire process. Next, after right-clicking, click on Properties. This option is usually located at the bottom of the context menu that appears. When you click it, a new window will pop up showing details about the shortcut. You will see several tabs at the top, including Shortcut, Security, and others. This window is where you will make the necessary adjustments to the icon. It's important to focus on the Shortcut tab for the next step, as it contains the settings you need. With the Properties window open, you should now open the Shortcut tab if it is not already selected. This tab contains information specific to the shortcut, such as its target location and the icon you are currently using. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different fields you see here. Understanding this section is important because it allows you to see the current settings before making any changes. Now find and click on Change Icon. This button is usually located near the bottom of the Shortcut tab window. Clicking this will open a new dialog box displaying a selection of icons. This is where you can choose a new icon for your Brave browser shortcut. Selecting an icon that resonates with you is a great way to personalize your workspace. Once you click this button, a range of icons will be presented to you. Next, select an icon from the list that appears. You can scroll through the available options to find one that you like. If you have a specific icon file in mind, you can also browse for it. Choosing the right icon is essential, as this is the visual representation of your browser on your desktop. Once you find the icon that catches your eye, click on it to highlight your choice. This selection process is crucial because it gives your desktop a fresh look. After you've made your selection, click OK to confirm your choice. This action will close the icon selection dialog and take you back to the Properties window. You should now see the new icon displayed in the icon preview area. This step is important because it ensures that your selected icon is saved in the shortcut properties. You will see your changes reflected immediately, providing a sense of accomplishment. Now, click Apply to save the changes you've made. This button is located at the bottom of the Properties window. After clicking Apply, it is a good practice to click OK to finalize everything. This makes sure your changes are saved and that your new icon is now set. After these steps, take a moment to look at your desktop. You should see that the Brave shortcut now displays your newly selected icon. This small change can make a big difference in how your desktop appears. Personalizing your icons not only adds flair, but also helps you identify applications quickly. With this, you have successfully changed the Brave browser icon on your desktop, making it distinctly yours. Enjoy your customized browsing experience.